Okay, this is number 39 on page 291, and I have part A and B, and you'll notice that I have 3 times the square root of negative 2 and the square root of negative 50 in both expressions, but they're being subtracted in the first expression in part A, and they're being multiplied in part B. So for the subtraction, either way, I have to take the i's out first, and meanwhile I'll simplify. 50 is 2 times 25 as a perfect square, so a 5 will come out and a 2 will stay in when I simplify that. So on this first term I'll have 3i root 2 minus, on the second term a 5 comes out and an I comes out, and the square root of 2 stays in. So you see how these are like terms, 3i root 2 and 5i root 2. So 3i root 2 minus 5i root 2 is negative 2i times the square root of 2. Now in part B, I'm multiplying, so I'm going to go like so, multiplying those. So I still have to take these i's out first, and at the same time I'll simplify the 50 again. So 3i root 2 times, and I know I'm going to have a 5 come out and an I, but it's a negative 5i root 2. So same term is up here. So when I multiply these together, I have, if I look at this, I'll go like so. I have a 3 times a negative 5, or a negative 15. I times I is I squared, and the square root of 2 times the square root of 2 by definition is 2. So that's a negative 1. So I have negative 15 times negative 1 times 2. So this is a positive 30. And that's it.